Hello children, today we are going to talk about birds. I'm going to show you some pictures in my book and I'm sure you will recognize some of the birds. Let's start. This one is a penguin, a canary, a pigeon, an owl, a robin, an eagle, a parrot, a duck, a flamingo, a toucan, a swan, and a beautiful peacock. And here I have an ostrich and an emu. Did you know that these are the largest living birds? Yes, they are the largest living birds. And you can see all the birds are having 2 legs, feathers and wings, and a beak. 2 legs, feathers and wings, and a beak. Let me show you here. See, all the birds are having feathers and wings and a beak and 2 legs. See, the toucan has a very nice beak. So all the birds are having 2 legs, feathers and wings, and a beak. And what else? They are all laying eggs. Did you know that? All the birds are laying eggs. And then out of the little eggs are hatching the birds. For example, ducklings or little penguin babies. And you know who has the largest eggs? Exactly. The ostrich has the largest eggs because he is a large bird. And what else do we know about birds? Exactly, they can fly. Birds are flying, right? Oh, but not all of them, most of them. You know who cannot fly? The ostrich cannot fly because he's too heavy. Yes, he cannot fly. Even though he has feathers and wings, he cannot fly. But he's a good runner. He's running very fast. And you know who else cannot fly as well? The little penguin. He has also feathers and wings. But he cannot fly. But he's a good swimmer. You should see him swimming very fast. But apart from that, all other birds can fly. And now we're going to make a little craft. A little beautiful parrot. For this one, we just need a toilet paper roll, some paint, I chose blue, and some colored paper for the wings. I cut out the beak. I have some wiggly eyes and 2 feet. So I have a beak, 2 feet, and feathers. So now we're gonna spread our glue all over our toilet paper roll. And we are adding our feathers everywhere on the toilet paper roll. Like this. So we're making a lot of feathers here. What else do we need now? Exactly, we need to put some eyes. I'm going to put his eyes here. Another one here. What else is missing? The beak, that's right. So I put some glue on my beak. And that's it, there. Here we go. And now we need our feet. 1, 2. There you go, just down here. Another foot. Here you go. See? Now we have our parrot ready. and we can play and fly with him. Now it's your turn. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.